Hello guys, simply go to the three line in button, press or click, then scroll down into settings and privacy, then go to settings, click settings. After that scroll down into account ownership and control. As you can see, click deactivation and deletion this account. Okay, check delete account, then press continue to delete. Now scroll down, delete account, then continue after entering your password, account password, then click continue, confirm, delete the account, and your account will be deleted. Thank you for watching.